Today, we'll build a workflow to automatically find the newest tools to elevate our work. Let's say we want to learn about the latest sales and marketing tools. First, we'll look for the products released on Product Hunt. Product Hunt is a platform that promotes the latest products and tools across many categories. We'll copy the link to Product Hunt and go back to ModularMind. Here we'll create a prompt telling ModularMind to visit this page and extract the titles, descriptions, and links of the latest products. And we add the Product Hunt homepage link. Next, we'll duplicate this stack to also get tools from BetaList. BetaList is another great platform for discovering new tools and products. We replace the link in our duplicated stack with the BetaList homepage link. Then we'll add another stack telling ModularMind to read through the tool info we collected from Product Hunt and BetaList and filter for only sales and marketing tools. We connect the first two stacks to this stack to carry over the product's data. Finally, we add one more stack that will visit each sales and marketing tool page, summarize what the tool does, and share the link to its page. Let's run the chain now. Notice how ModularMind visits both platforms to grab the latest tools, filter for relevant ones, and create summaries, all simultaneously. In just a few simple steps, we created a powerful workflow that does the hard work for us. Now, we can stay on top of the newest solutions in our field with no effort. Whenever we run the chain, ModularMind will gather the latest tools from Product Hunt and BetaList. Head to modularmind.app now to build your own chains to supercharge your work.